Keurig, espresso machines, and other single-cup coffee makers keep coffee simple. But over time, hard water, lime, and other minerals can lead to internal scale buildup and contamination, affecting purity, taste, and ultimately damaging your coffee maker. Essential Value's Coffee Machine Descaler and Cleaner is the easiest, most effective solution to remove buildup and increase the life of your coffee maker. Simply add 1/2 a bottle of the Essential Values Descaler cleaning solution into the water reservoir. Add water and brew the cleaning solution through the coffee maker. Brew fresh water through the machine several times to effectively flush the system of all contaminants, buildup, and cleaning solution. Show your coffee the love it deserves by regularly cleaning your single-cup coffee maker with Essential Values Descaler and Cleaning Solution.